What's going on, gang? We are out here in somewhere outside of Des Moines, Iowa. I'll put the actual link in the video, but we're gonna check out Flex Factory out here. Beautiful day. So let's go ahead, give you a tour. Day pass, $20, all done online. All right, gang, we're out here at Flex Factory. As you come in, we got the vending machines over here on the right hand side. They got some drinks, some snacks, a couple shirts, little merch section, front desk scanning right over here to the left. And as you come over, we got the Flex Factory sign. We can see the Flex Factory in the back, some lockers right here. We got the men's room on this side, posing room right over here when we come to the left. So we got some nice mirrors set up. They got a little body fat scanner, looks like. Get that pose on, all right? And the men's room right over here. We're not gonna film in the men's room today, but we got the men's room right over here. And if we go straight from the men's room, or if we take a right when we come out, we see the gym is pretty much open layout. Okay, we got the water fountain. Coming over here, we have the small cardio section, so nothing crazy. They got a stair stepper and 3 treadmills, right? So it's not a big cardio deck area, but what they don't have in cardio, they make up in equipment. So we got the pin-loaded machines in this first section. We got your chest, fly, reverse delt, couple different pieces for that. You've got your shoulder press, your chest press, we've got your shoulder lateral raise, your incline, and they got the legs over here for some hammies, and we got an ab bench. We got your, of course, abductors, adductors, and then the seated row, tricep presses, and the curl, so tri extensions and bicep curls. Coming around back down the main aisle, you got your little Flex Factory family, which is pretty cool. They feature all of their people over here. And then we've got more of the plate loaded machines. So we come from our pin loaded to our plate loaded. But again, you've got your extensions here. And then now we have more of the leg area. So you've got your swing squat. It looks like 2 different versions of the swing squat. I've not seen this piece. This is an interesting piece. And then you've got your hack squats. You've got the stationary tricep extensions. You've got a unique back piece, as we have again in the other row. But here we've got that pendulum kind of squat set up. So whole leg machines. We've got the leg press, 2 different leg press variations. And then you've got your belted squat, belted deadlift that you can use. And then that takes us into the upper body pieces. Over here, they've got a strip of turf. You've got your foam rollers, med balls, bands over there in the back. Women's locker room right here on the left-hand side. Some ab machines. You've got your little hyper extension. And then they've got your Bulgarian squat and your sissy squat components right there. So again, med balls, bands, some belts, kettlebells, and some bar. Over here, you've got the powerlifting area. So you've got 2 platforms you see. You've got 2 benches flat. We've got 3-4 squat racks plus a Smith. Yep, plus a Smith machine over here. So we've got 3 or 4 racks, 2 Smith machines, it looks like. And then we got the cable section, dumbbells all along that back corner. So we've got an incline, 2 flats, 2 deadlift platforms, 3 racks, and 2 Smith machines. So they got those pre-calibrated weights. And then this is the upper body. So we've got a nice incline plate loaded fly. And then we have that standing chest press right here. We've got a pull down for your back, another variation of the pull down. We've got your seated shoulder press. We've got the panada piece over here. All right, so we got that incline panada piece, and then we've got your seated incline press. Dumbbell sections over here. We've got a couple different benches. We've got your shoulder, incline, and flat benches, and it looks like we got dumbbells going up to the 150s, possibly the 160s, because they're missing. So, or 170s maybe. And then, yeah, we take it back over here. We got your main cable piece. So your traditional cable piece, guys, right? You've got your pull-up bars, your multi-cable attachments. And then as we come back, we're going to walk you through The upper body pieces, you can see we've got that chest press over here, flat chest. And then a unique shoulder piece. I really like this 4-way or 3-way shoulder piece. You've got high, low, middle. So it's a whole shoulder training station. That's a nice unique piece. I've only seen that in 1 or 2 other gyms. Then you've got your seated tricep extension, which is not my favorite, honestly. Then you've got your serratus pullover, lat pullover. I do really like this version of your pull down machine. That always feels good with my lats. Then I really like this. You can see I got my shirt on here. We're working out with this one right now. But I like this because it changes the angle of where you want to go, under, over, side, for a nice leaning bent forward back row. And then we have a nice piece right over here on the right hand side. I missed that, but it's an incline back row as well. So yeah, guys, this is Flex Factory out here in Urbandale, Iowa, subsection of Des Moines. Super awesome gym, super chill vibes. Definitely check it out. We're gonna go ahead and give this one a 4 out of 5 on the heart scale.